It's officially midnight and 1 minute. Happy birthday to me! Woohoo! It's my birthday today. I went to the hairdresser. Look at my hair. Wonderful. At the end of the day, I decided to make my birthday a bit special because I felt a bit under the weather all day due to exhaustion, extreme exhaustion. And it totally improved my mood. Sometimes you just gotta make the small things to make your birthday feel special. Hey there, how are you? So today we're the 3rd of October and yesterday was my birthday. I had a good time. This morning I forgot my appointment to the nail salon, so now I have my birthday nails. There is this chrome finish, I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, I love doing my Barbie nails for my birthday. I kind of maybe should have went for, I was thinking maybe I should have went for a dark red, but then again, like, it's kind of boring, you know? I could have, but is it me? No. Anyway, so today we're Friday. My friends are coming. One friend is coming at 3 p.m. My flat is looking like a war zone, honestly. I'm so tired as well. So I'm just going to finish something for work. I'm not supposed to work as well, but I didn't do it on time, so I'm still going to do that. And then I'm also watching an episode of Criminal Minds. And also that's it. So I have an episode of Criminal Minds on my iPad, my work laptop, and my San Francisco. Look at this. We're almost matchy. So well. I'll talk to you later. Hey there. I had an awfully long day. But okay. So tonight it's party one, or Friday, so party one. We're going to go to stereo in Covent Garden, and then karaoke Moyagi. That's also in the center. And I'm just going to do my makeup, chit chat maybe. To be honest, I'm tired, so probably I won't chit chat and just do my makeup. I'm ready. But hey, let's go have some fun. I'm going to try the Alcone Company Stop the Sweat product. I saw it on TikTok. Apparently it's amazing. I tried the Maron, and I need to do a TikTok on it, or IG video on it, on my feedback. So I use this thing because I sweat a lot, especially here on my temples. So it's awful. So yeah, I need to find something that makes me not sweat. That's it. I'm going to just rub it in the areas where I sweat a lot. And it's the Alcone Company Stop the Sweat. Maybe I'll do my hair while it's drying. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's fine. I need to show you something. For my birthday, I did something on Canva. I did a whole planning because it's 3 days. Also, I need to think it. Anyway, I've done a planning on Canva. No, 30th. And basically, I've done the planning, the hours, the activities we're going to do. So no one can tell me, oh, I didn't know, and I don't have to remind people to be on time. I'm going to be late, but who cares? I'm the birthday girl. Okay, I'm going to try this product, the Embryolisse, as a prep, like to prep my skin. Oh, I don't like the smile. It reminds me of like product for babies, but like booty. You know when you have to change the kid, it just reminds me of that. Okay, I want to be finished in 10 minutes. I think I can do it. Okay, maybe not 10, like 15. Okay, so now it's time for primers and co. ALF primer, ELF, sorry. So the Embryolisse stinks, but it's very hydrating. I don't know how people use it. I love the hair. I think maybe tomorrow I need to redo my curls. I don't know. I'll see tonight. I'm probably going to need 2 hours to get ready tomorrow. But hey, I'm the birthday girl, so I have to go. Liquid blush. Because it's so pigmented, I love to start with it. I think I'm going to wear either a sequin pink dress or silver one. I'm not sure. Foundation, I'm going to try the hairbrush foundation. A bit of setting spray, I love to mix those two. You see how it's still peeking through? Actually, that's really good coverage, so it's not. I just want something like for the base. Might have covered too much here, but not here. Anyway, that's really good coverage. I put too much on. That's really good foundation. And it's still luminous. Wow. Oopsie. Some, not contour, bronzer, liquid cream bronzer. This one from Patrick. So actually we can still see the blush. I'm still picking through. Yeah, I thought I did something wrong with my contour. I didn't brush it downward but upward, so I'll just have to contour today. Okay, so for the eye, I'm going to do something quite easy. I'm going to do it now. And I'm going to do bright makeup. So I think I'm going to use these two tones. So I'm going to use this Charlotte Tilbury palette, and I'm going to use this color first. I'm going to use this MAC one, put it on all my eyelids, and then inner corner I will do pink. In inner corner I'm going to put I guess this one or this one, not this one. So the theme of this tonight was disco. I'm pretty sure people won't respect it, but I will respect it because I'm the host, so I have to. I just realized I didn't set my foundation. So I said 10 minutes and I'm over the time. Rare Beauty blush. Eyebrow pen from NYX. I'm going to go in for a white, you know, in my lower lash line. 9 mauve. So I'm going to try this one. I don't think I need to put anything else than just this. So it's the Estee Lauder matte setting spray. And I'm going to let it dry. So I went for a pink dress. I don't know if you think it's mattifying, but I feel like it's mattifying. I love it. Night one outfit. She's a cutie. Yes, I hype myself up. 3, 2, 1.
Honnêtement, c'est bien. Quand tu mets le dico, il y a des trucs.
Les 30 ans, on est là.
Hello, I look crazy because I am crazy. Anyway, I'm currently doing my birthday cake. Yesterday evening was so fun. I can't legally put any footage of the party online because it's really bad. But yeah, it was really fun. So we went first to stereo and then karaoke. It was really good. Anyway, I'm doing my birthday cake. It's a fondant au chocolat. I'm going to show you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Joyeux anniversaire! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Directrice artistique.
J'ai la vision, vous voyez? Ouais, vas-y, vas-y.
Attends, je vais finir les plats.
Ton téléphone est mort donc il a envie de voir, c'est ça? Mona, t'es en train de nous quitter, ça se voit, t'es